Finally, hello everyone. My name is Walid Nehme. I am head of endodontic department at St. Joseph University of Beirut. I do have practice limited to endodontics in Lebanon and in Abu Dhabi. I would like to welcome you all to my special endodontic course on the 12th and the 13th of February in Abu Dhabi. This course is dedicated for clinicians who want to improve their endodontic skills. Our aim is to make your endodontic working days very easy and very smooth and less stressful than usual. So basically, in the first day, we'll discuss all the topics from radiographic interpretation till obturation of the root canal. And clinician will have to work on extracted teeth and plastic blocks. The second day will focus mainly on retreatment. So we go from case selection to removal of filling material to bypassing broken instrument and eventually removing these broken parts. We'll focus on all topics of retreatment. Hope to see you soon in Abu Dhabi. Remember, 12 and 13 of February.